Apart from the industrialists themselves, the Rajasthan government has taken proactive steps to support the 3 lakh small and medium manufacturers of the state by providing an environment that is conducive to industrial growth.
The government of Rajasthan has enacted an act, Single Window Clearance Act, so that their applications are immediately disposed of within 45 days. If that is not done, the department concerned will be held responsible. Earlier there was no responsibility getting fixed.
A short distance away from Ratan Textiles is an apparel manufacturer who has found his own niche in exporting garments. Rajiv Diwan established Mamarts as an experiment because he found the fashion export industry glamorous.
We are basically into very, economy buying sort of a basic garment sort of a market. We are not into this. We are basically into very, economy buying sort of a basic garment sort of a market. We are not into the high-end or value addition garments. Mainly it's an economy buying like from $4 to $7 range. We are doing business with Walmart, JCPenney, Kohl's, they are all branded labels, Macy's.
1 year ago, Rajiv Diwan handed over the reins of the business to his son Jigar. An aspiring aeronautical engineer, Jigar happened to enter the garment industry by chance when his uncle forced him to attempt the National Institute of Fashion Technology's entrance exam. Armed with professional knowledge about fashion design and technology, today he's handling all the operations at Mamarts.
I've been from a background where I've seen the unit production systems being implemented, ERPs being there, then mass customization of clothing amongst the big customers of ours. Within the next 5 to 10 years, the goal would be to be right within the customer and interacting with the customer face to face directly instead of having mediators in between.
The garment sector of Jaipur currently contributes about 950 crore rupees to Rajasthan's total export turnover. But like most of the other industries in this city, this sector is also facing acute shortage of skilled labor.
We propose the government that this Narega scheme which is the government is running, that should be clubbed with this garment industry. Whatever the government is paying to the workers, they should be clubbed that whenever they will work with the garment industry, that remuneration will be paid by the government, and out of that the garment industry is also ready to support to those workers. But government is presently not listening on this point.
It's an unorganized sector because we are working only for 6 months. It's seasonal industry here. It causes a lot of unrest amongst the labor. Then as management, it becomes difficult to manage operations at different levels because 1 month you are producing 3 lakh garments a week, a month, and the next month there's only 20 to 30,000 garments.
With a clear mandate of sticking to exports of basic summer clothes for women in US and Europe, Mamarts was almost unaffected during the global meltdown. Although rising cotton prices have affected profit margins, the quality of products and focus on exclusive Indian techniques has kept the orders flowing in.
The kind of prints, our old traditional prints, the kalamkaris, the booties, the jawls, everything, it is nowhere in the world. And that is what we are catering, and that is what we are popular for.
Mamarts has not just been setting benchmarks in garment export, but also in employee satisfaction. Many of its workers have been here for years together thanks to the organization's transparency and growth opportunities.
गरीब लोगों की मदद भी करते हैं, बेरोजगारों को बुलाते हैं कि भाई चलो हमारी कंपनी में काम है, डरते भी नहीं, सब चीज़ की सुविधा देते हैं, जैसे डिलीवरी हुई, तनख्वाह भी बढ़िया देते हैं.
Both Ratan Textiles and Mamarts exemplify the spirit of the enterprising city of Jaipur. They are leaders of their trade, combining entrepreneurship skills with opportunities to explore, innovate and achieve.